If you're using a GoPro, here's the difference in sound between using it straight up with nothing plugged in versus the world of difference in sound when you plug in a RØDE Wireless GO. This thing is cool. I've said it in all the other videos, I'm going to say it again in this one. Headphones, people, they're a must. Please listen to these videos with headphones because it's going to make so much difference to what you're going to hear than just going straight through your iPhone or going through your computer speakers. We all have a GoPro. I have 20 of them, in fact. I mostly have older ones. I love the Hero8 because it works for what I do for my work. However, what sucks about them is the audio is freaking terrible. The audio on a GoPro is renowned for being horrible. They're fun to use. I got mine here on a selfie stick, as you can see from my iPhone, and the sound is terrible. There's music coming from up over there. There's trains that'll be passing rather from up over here. When I turn my head, you'll lose my sound, and you won't be able to hear me very well even if I turn the other way. Here's a great solution about what you can do to use your wireless Go with your GoPro. This is the little Velcro tag that comes to be able to hold the USB-C to USB-A connector. You attach the Velcro strip via the cold shoe mount there to the back of your wireless Go receiver. And that attaches on there just like that. Next we take the cable that came with the RØDE and we take the cable that comes with the GoPro, which goes from USB to the audio input adapter. If you walk around with this simple selfie stick set, nobody stops you. Nobody's going to jump into your shot. Nobody's going to be a pain in the ass because they just go, oh, this is just some idiot walking around with a GoPro on a selfie stick. But if I walk around with my Canon 5D Mark IV, I can guarantee you here in Japan, people are going to be, don't film this, don't do this.
I have a car as well, but sometimes I might need to pick it up.
Yo, Godzilla, how's it hanging, dude? GoPro's own audio really close to me. Wireless Go's audio really close to me. Selfie stick stretched out really far from me with the GoPro natural audio. GoPro stick stretched out really far from me with the RØDE Wireless Go. It's a no-brainer. You can hear there's different sound in here. It's much quieter and a lot of reverby. That's the sound directly through the GoPro. However, now we got the sound coming in through the RØDE Wireless Go, and it sounds a hell of a lot better. Once again, it's the pin mic on my chest. It's going to pick up no matter where this camera goes. I could set this thing down and walk away from it. It's still going to pick up really well. In fact, I'll just lay it down on my bag there and I'll walk away and you can still hear me talking because it's picking up my sound. Hey, all the way over there. See, I told you this thing was cool. The whole point of this montage that you're about to watch is the various environments. So please make sure you got your headphones on so you can really hear the sound difference because it makes all the difference in the world. And if you've got some quality headphones like this, use them. So whether I'm walking through one of Tokyo's notorious game centers, or even if you're in a much quieter environment like a drugstore, for all I know, you might even have the desire to send a video to your friends from a TV electronics store. They wouldn't let you do that with your big ass camera, but with your little GoPro and this thing attached, nobody cares. Maybe you just chill on the sofa, but you still want good sound quality. Of course, you may be doing a vlog telling people about why you're buying a new pair of shoes. At the local market, shopping for fruit and veg. Perhaps you're trying to get fashionable. Perhaps you're out shopping for a new suit. Trying to keep your voice quiet while you're shopping in a bookstore. Or walking through a busy mobile phone store, getting your fitness on. Hey bro. This is a really noisy spot right here with sound that's going to get into your GoPro and just mess up your audio. People won't be able to hear you, turn away and what have you. It's horrible trying to get good sound doing this. However, plug in your RØDE Wireless Go and it gets rid of all the noise and crap in the background that your audience does not want to hear. Walking through a crowded train station, riding an escalator, on a busy platform waiting for your train to arrive. Doing your vlog on a busy Tokyo train because you just couldn't help yourself and wait till you got off the damn train now, could ya? Heading from one train to the next one. Vlogging while you're walking down the street past a bunch of random strangers who don't know you, don't want to know you, and will probably never ever see you again. If you're using just a vlogging type style with a GoPro, with an Osmo, with whatever you've got, your iPhone, and the audio sounds like crap, your friends probably aren't going to pay attention to video. So I'm sorry if this sounds a bit too much like an advertisement. I'm just really enjoying these. I am a working sound recordist and I've found these wireless Go systems by RØDE extremely useful for me in my work. And for you guys out there who don't even do this professionally, this is a really inexpensive device to up your game for your videos, for your sound, and that's what it's all about. Kind of dodgy video, nobody really cares. But if you use the sound straight out of most of these devices, it sounds like this and it ain't good. Giving bad audio, that's what makes them scroll through to the next video. Yes, the send-off here sounds a little bit funny because the area that I was standing in was concave. That's where I got the lights from, and there's a bit of extra reverb in there. Grab yourself one of these RØDE Wireless Go's and attach that, and this is now what you've got to work with. It's that small. I mean, look at that. It's tiny in my hand. The sound quality speaks for itself. I hope you enjoyed that video about using your wireless Go with the GoPro. If you go this side, you can check out my video using it with an iPhone, which sounds so much better than the mic on your iPhone, just like it does with the GoPro. And then on this side here is a video of me using it with my Canon camera, and I'll show you through 3 different formats of using it. Straight through the wireless Go, using it with the 2 different lav mics that you can get from Rode. Very insightful stuff. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, all those good things. See you soon.